Hi babes, you want to see how I created this super easy look from hair to makeup to nails? And speaking of hair hunty, we have wigs and bundles etc. as low as $25 down. Just click slice it at checkout.
I am a big boss bitch, I do not come in your size. Look, I am a big boss bitch, I do not come in your size. Look, I've been hardworking and humble, but believe me, I heard of the mumble. I'm just gonna leave it alone, cause I will put burners to bundles. Bitches is miserable, they are so typical, hating is cheap, now my material.
It's Lachey Tree L, baby. So in addition to custom wigs that I make, I also have pre-made wigs that I also sell on my website, and I'm going to be showing you how you can put those on with an elastic band. But first, let's get it popping with these nails. So I got these nails from my local beauty supply. They were only like $10, hunty. Yes, and they last for about a good week and a half. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. So they do come with sticky, the little sticky tab things, as well as they come with super good kiss glue. Like it's like maximum hold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find all of the numbers that match my fingers. I have really baby fingers, but I am going to size these a tiny bit bigger, so just one size up. Just because I wanted to be able to wear the diamond nails that came with it. The diamond nails that came with it, which are the custom nails that came with it, those were a size up from my fingers. So I want all of the nails to match in size. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those. So what you see me doing here is just simply sizing them, trying to figure out which nails go on which hand and everything. And I'm going to show you, babes, how that looks in a minute, okay? Like, how cute are these for some $10 nails? The pink is a matte, and then, like I said, they're accompanied with this this diamond, these 3D nails. So cute. And I'm going to show you exactly how durable these nails are. I had them on throughout the entire process of me bleaching this wig, bleaching the knots, and as well as my makeup and applying everything. And like I said, I've had them on for at least a week now. Yeah, spirit fingers, ew. So hunty, shout out to Vanity Cosmetics. Yes, hunty. You know what, I really love this palette because, like, me being really new to makeup, I don't have to do too much. Like, the colors go on really nice and neat. I don't have to do a lot of extra blending or anything. Like, it's very good for a beginner like me, like you know, just starting off trying to do my eyeshadow and everything. Like, it's really easy. The colors go on really nice and show up really good. I love them like so much, and it made this look so beautiful. So thank you, hunty. Yes. So in the process of me always doubting myself, I'm like pretty much like halfway through. If I don't like the look, I'm already like ready to trash it. So I'm just like little bit. I like it a little bit. So I had to do a little sprouting up. My mom was playing around. She's so silly. She like, yeah, I'm about to jump in the video with you. Yeah. Now this eyeliner from the crayon case is so freaking easy. Like I have at least 7 different liquid eyeliners, and this one is the easiest one for me to use. Like all of the other ones, it just seems like I create a big mess, and I just mess up my whole eye. And I like how the tip on this one is really precise. And it just makes me so happy, like, because I don't have to do too much. Like I already don't like doing too much with makeup because I'm not that advanced with it. So like key things like this, like I really appreciate. So these are some eyelashes that I have that I send with my wig. So I just wanted to try them out. I had just got them in, hunty, yes. Oh yeah, and they definitely turned out really cute. Honey, so are y'all ready for this? So here's my wig. So pretty much what I'm just going through and then combing it through with the wig brush, just to get any straight strands that might be in it. Because I did pluck it a little bit before, so that's pretty much what I'm trying to get out of there. I didn't comb it after I plucked it. But I'm also going to have to pluck it again a little bit later in the video, because the wigs do come with a little bit of a thicker hairline than my custom wigs. Of course, because my custom wigs, I pluck them. So, with that being said, hunty, you gotta make it do what it do, okay? So of course, after I put my wigs, before I put them on, I like to assess them and see how I want to place them on, like what kind of part that I want, like that truly matters. So I'm gonna go with a middle part with this first look. And by being a frontal, you could do different types of looks. So I'm gonna also go ahead, I'm gonna zoom in real quick. So I just want to show you, babes, that you don't always have to use a sewing machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can put these on by hand. So you just pretty much want to put these on, and you want to twist it, pull it around there, and that'll create a locking stitch. And I'm going to do that again. Twist it, pull, put it in there, twist, pull through. You want to pull it through that loop that creates a locking stitch. And you want to do that starting on the side. You want to do the top, and then you want to do probably like 1/4 of an inch of the other side. So 1/4 of an inch of the sides. You want to make sure you get those corners, and then you want to do the exact same thing on the other side. Now, the way you go about that is you take some elastic and you want to size it to your head. You want to size it about to make it stretch the entire length. Let's say if the length of your stretch length is about 10 inches, you want to take off about 3 to 4 inches, just because you don't want the full 10 inches to be the elastic. You want it to be stretched all the way out, and then that will give you how much elastic you're going to put in there, because you want it to be really, really nice, neat, and snug. You don't want it to be where it's like partially sliding off. You want it to pretty much, you want to like literally be able to put this elastic band on here and wear and go. And you don't want to have to, you know, if you want to skip the whole glue and everything, you should be able to take it off at night and whatnot, and then be able to pop it back on in the morning and it still look like, you know, the exact same hairstyle. I mean, because it is, but you know, you're not putting any of that pressure on it when you're sleeping or anything, so it'll pretty much keep the style intact 100%. So as I was saying before, I plucked it a tiny bit, but I'm going to go ahead and pluck it some more just because I want to see like my skin a little bit more right there. I want to be able to see through. I want to be able to see the scalp a little bit more. So I didn't do too much plucking because my hairline is really, really thick and it just does not look right when I over pluck. Like you can see my hairline through the lace. So I like to avoid that. So I'm going to use these two ion curl products along with this Got to Be Kinkier mousse. So I'm just going to spray this in here, not too much. I don't want it to be too damp because I'm also going to, like I said, I'm putting on the two curly products to maintain the curls and keep the curls intact, so that it's not frizzy or anything. And I'm going to put the Got to Be mousse on there. And also when I'm spraying it here, this is just a bottle of water, literally. And this hair that's right here is just the hair that's coming off of here from when I just plucked it. So I'm going to go ahead and brush this all the way through this mixture. And as you can see, it's defining the curls like so freaking cute. Yes, hunty. And when it dries, it will dry like this. So it will keep its definition, but it will, because you know curly hair poofs up a little bit. So it will do the poofiness. We want that. We want the thickness because we want to see the thickness of the hair. And like I said, babes, this wig is the Mervella wig. You can catch her on my site, MERVELLA. You can type that into the search bar. Or actually, I'll put her at the top of my website so you don't even have to search for her. So just click the link below. Go down to my website. Y'all, this stuff smells so good. Like you could eat it. That's why I'm like, I'll lick it. I didn't lick it for real. Don't know. I didn't do that, all right? It's just a joke, okay? But it do smell really, really good, okay? So yeah, hunty, of course the slay god said, let's put some baby hairs in this wig. No. Yeah, but honey, I'm putting some swoops in there. I don't care what y'all talk about, okay? I like my swoops, okay? So I'm not gonna do too much though. So I'm just gonna do a couple of side swoops because I still want the top to be really, really natural. Even when you do your hair this way, you don't have to do too many swoops to camouflage the lace, especially if it'll blend into your skin. You don't have to do too much. So we just basically giving the wig some character at this point. So I did have to use the other Got to Be mousse, the regular one, just because it's a lot better hold on this curly hair, because with the curly mousse, it's just going to make the hair curl up. It's not going to It's not really going to too much allow you to get the definition of the edges or the swoops that you want if you do choose to go that route with your wigs, hunty. But yeah, of course, me, that's what I'm about to do. So I needed the other moves. I'm gonna go ahead and swoop everything down, make sure everything look cute, hunty. All right. So now that I'm done with all of my swoops, I'm going to go ahead and take this wrapping paper and wrap it around my edges to make sure that it dries. It only took them probably about 5 minutes to dry. The rest of my hair was still wet, but the edges only took maybe a little bit less than 5 minutes, but I'm going to say 5 minutes. It only took 5 minutes to dry. So that's not too bad. So I'm just smoothing out the top, make sure everything nice and flat. Yes, hunty. Make sure everything is good. Make sure all the curls are nice and moisturized. Make sure that everything is in sync. Yes. So babes, this is how she looked after she was all dry. Curls are still nice and defined. Yes, hunty. Let me know. Don't mind me, I'm fixing my eyelash, hunty. Okay, so let me know what y'all babes think about this in the comment section below. Let me know what's your favorite part: the nails, the makeup, the hair. And speaking on the hair, I will reiterate it once again. I do have a payment option where you can get wigs and hair for as low as $25 down. Just when you go to the checkout, just click slice it, pay over time, and there should be about 2 or 3 options depending on what type of order you have. And there's options for absolutely everybody. Make sure you babes are following me on Facebook and Instagram to keep up with all of these updates. And you babes, I love you so much. See you next time. Bye.